explain about Section 7, Assessment and Evaluation in Language Teaching. Assessment is a systematic process for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information about students' abilities and achievement. It can include a variety of methods and techniques to measure language skill, such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Types of assessment. First, formative assessment conducts during the learning process to provide feedback that assists students in improving their skill. Examples include quiz, assessment, and class discussion. Second, summative assessment conduct at the end of a learning period to assess overall student achievement. Example include a final exam, major project, or presentation. Third, diagnosis assessment conduct before the learning process begins to identify student prior knowledge and needs. This helps teacher plan more effective interaction. For portfolio assessment, collecting the rank of students work over a period of time to demonstrate their progress and assessment in language learning. 5. Authentic assessment. Authentic assessment focus on evaluating student skill in context relevant to real life. It includes text that requires students to apply knowledge and skill in actual situations, such as reading essay or creating reports. Evaluation. Evaluation is an activity that involves collecting and analyzing data to assess the effectiveness of teaching and learning. It includes the assessment of student learning outcomes as well as the teaching process implemented by the teacher. Types of evaluation. Formative evaluation conducted during the learning process to provide feedback that can be used to improve teaching methods and learning outcomes. Examples include class observation and discussion. Second, summative evaluation conducted at the end of a learning period to assess overall student assessment. Examples include final exam or project assessment. Third, diagnosis evaluation conducts prior to the learning process to identify student needs and initial abilities. This helps teacher plan more appropriate interaction. The evaluation criteria has two criteria. First, objective criteria. Example of objective criteria include scores, assessment that use number of grades to reflect the level of student assessment, and rubric. And second, subjective criteria. Example of subjective criteria include teacher assessment of student participation. This includes how teacher evaluates student engagement and contribution in class discussion, group work, or other activities. This assessment often relies on the teacher observation and can vary from one teacher to others. And the last, application of effective assessment technique in language teaching. Here are several ways to apply effective assessment technique in language teaching. First, use of formative assessment, quiz and short tests. Regularly using short quiz to evaluate student understanding of vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. Class discussion, conducting class discussion to encourage activity student participation and the use of the target language. Second, authentic assessment text-based project, using relevant real-life projects such as creating presentation or writing essays. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.